Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to use YouTube audio library. So if you want to use YouTube audio library, just follow this video and you'll be good to go. So let's start by logging in on YouTube, and here what we can do is we can uh, click on this icon right here on your channel, and then we can go to YouTube Studio. Where is YouTube Studio? Here it is. So let's go here, and when we are here on YouTube Studio, what we can do is we can go down and go here to audio library. We can open this up, and here we can see there is a complete list of all the royalty free audios from YouTube. So this is something amazing that you can use for your YouTube videos or any of the homemade video that you've made, or you've made any video for your school or college or your company. It's completely free to use and it's license free. Most of them are license free. You can still check the license from here. There you go. You can see the license category from here, but most of them are free to use. They're royalty free. So you can search any video, sorry, any song, any audio that you like, and you can favorite anyone. If you find a song, if you like a song, you can favorite it from here, and you can just click it and it will be removed. You can also filter it, search it according to the genre. For example, if I need some ambient song or an ambient audio, and we can do ambient and we can apply. Now we are going to get ambient audios. We can also filter it again if we need an audio that would calm our mood. We can do that as well. So the list goes on. So that's how you do it. And if you like a video, if you like an audio, you can just click here and the downloading will start, and it will be downloaded into your downloads folder. Let me just show you right here. It's downloaded right here. So you can use this MP3 audio in any format you want. You can use it for your videos, in your editing, in all the stuff that is related to, I would say, photo and video and audio. So that's how you use it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.